We've got the track here to go around the back of the rock. We're going to check how much water's in the little dam at the back there. Oh, there's fucking no water in it.
Yeah, right. So, what are you doing? You going back or you going around?
I might just go a little bit further and turn around and come back. Just go to that little flat spot.
Right. Oh, we'll wait for you.
There's only a bit of mud in there near. There's no water.
Yep.
Balbinya homestead, 20 k's.
She's pretty black now on our left, eh?
Yeah, I reckon. That road that goes to my left where I am, where? Oh yeah, we'll go the way you're going, then we'll just drive around it, I guess.
Yeah, well then you need to come straight up to the water hole where I am.
Oh, yep. Right, we found a bit of a spot around here, not far from the rock, and the wind's blowing directly behind me. Probably reposition the ute a bit later and set my camp up. Oh, there's Timmy's all set up. Killer peach there. We'll go hunting tonight, take the dog. Probably drag down a couple of donkeys and a roo.
No, we're going to use the dog for bait, mate.
Oh, is that what? Oh, sorry.
Lure a dingo in with it.
We're gonna. Sorry, Peach, but you're gonna be the decoy. Sunday morning. It's about 7 o'clock or something like that. 8:30. We're going to try and find the track to head over to the escarpment. Grove site there. So we've just come off the track, not far from the homestead, couple of k's. Turn right, and then we're heading down towards the cliffs, between Israelite Bay and the cliffs. Oh, she's a windy little track. I haven't been out of second gear yet. First and second. First, second. My God. Oh, we're down this track about 35 odd k's or something. Looking at the map, we're roughly about 6 k's from the top of the escarpment. And we're going to pull up for some morning tea. Timmy threw some sausages in his little oven, giving it a try out, so he'll be here in a sec. He's just hanging back a bit, it's quite dusty. There we go. We had to turn them down after about an hour or so. Looks like they were getting pretty well done. Woohoo! Oh, look at that. They're cooked awesome.
$5 each at a Balbinya pub.
We've done about 47 k's roughly from when we left the homesteads, and we're very close to the top of the escarpment. Should be coming up the next 500 metres.
K's in on about 46 or something.
You're showing about 47.3 from when I started recording.
Yeah.
I think I said yes, you looked about 50 Ks.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, we've made it to the top of the escarpment here. Check this out. It's a fair bit of a drop on the other side. Fill in some of them holes there. Some big holes that's in the ground there. Let our tyres right down so try not to slide so much and then head down.
Yeah, go straight ahead so I can see the front of your car at the moment. Yeah, go to your left a little bit. No, sorry, right. Yeah, my left. Oh, yeah. Now straight up.
Yeah, go to your right, just a tad. Yeah, now straighten up and just keep coming down.
Yeah, you're alright, mate. Keep it going. That's it. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, she's not going to stop. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no worries. Keep going like that. Keep going. Keep going.
It's just sliding.
Yeah. Yeah, when you hit the brakes it's bulldozing and it's slowing you down. Yeah, keep going, you're right. Oh yeah, keep going.
Righto, we pumped the tyres up. We both let them right down to go down that really steep hill there. So we had maximum traction and yeah, so this track doesn't get used very often. My K's now to where we hit the track. You go left to the dunes or right to Israelite. Wow, that was an epic adventure and a half. Finally made it out to the track. This is where it comes out. A few of the lads will be familiar with this. You can see the dunes way up way over the distance. There comes Timmy. Geez, it's a windy track. We haven't got out of past second gear since we left the homesteads. Real slow going. Left at 8 o'clock this morning. 8:30 this morning, it's about 1 o'clock. Loved every minute of it. Yeah, so we come out that track and it's about 62 kilometres back to Israelite. Bottle camps just down here on our left. But we'll probably make our way back to Israelite and set up camp for the night. Monday morning, Israelite Bay, packing up, we're heading home. Weather was really good last night, pretty light winds, nice and warm. Yeah, it's good. Heading home, 200 k's to go. "21 k's to the gravel road." Geez, the track's been rough in some parts. Other parts not too bad, but some are pretty feral.